Welcome back. Today I would like to show you a sauce that I recently have been making that makes all the dishes taste so much better. It's a tzatziki sauce. It's a Mediterranean Greek yogurt cucumber side. I usually use it with a little bit of pita bread, some hummus, veggies, and some piece of protein. You can use it with pretty much with anything, and it will enhance the flavor of your dish. And the best thing of all, extremely low calories, since it's only really cucumber and yogurt, Greek yogurt, and it is full of flavor. Will definitely make any dish taste so much better. And it has some protein as well, so you can really feel good about eating it. So let's grab the ingredients and let's start preparing tzatziki. We are going to need a cucumber, any kind, Greek yogurt, 5% fat, a lemon, garlic, dill. I keep mine in the freezer. I buy it fresh, chop it, and freeze it. And salt and pepper to taste, of course. First, we need to let yogurt drain all the liquid out. So I will transfer it to a sieve, just like so. And while we were waiting, I am going to prepare the cucumber. You can use any type of cucumber you like, preferably one that doesn't have many seeds. Peel it, and using a small spoon, remove all the seeds. Next, I'm going to grate it on this side. I am grating it over a sieve because we will need to drain the cucumber as well. It releases lots of liquid and we don't want too much water in the sauce. You can see already some water is releasing. I like to salt it slightly to speed up the process, and salt helps with releasing water. And set it aside. After 30 minutes to an hour, the cucumber should be ready. It's already a lot of water out. So at this time, just squeeze the liquid out even more. You can also leave it, the cucumber and the yogurt to drain in the fridge for about 3 to 4 hours if you have that much time. Tons of liquid. And we're not gonna have to have it in the sauce. Going back to yogurt, there is some liquid down at the bottom. Good enough. I'm going to transfer it to a bowl and squeeze 3 cloves of garlic. You can use as little or as much as you like. I like lots, as you can see. Next, zest a lemon and add half of a lemon juice. Make sure you zest the lemon before you cut it. Don't do what I just did. And half a tablespoon of that frozen fresh dill. You can of course use a fresh one if you just bought it. It's definitely pretty much the same outcome. I would not use the dry one. Salt and pepper to taste. And make sure you go easy with the salt, as we already added some salt to cucumber, so we don't want to have it too salty. If you need it later, you can always adjust the flavors. Mix it all in. And now cucumbers go in. Mix it all very well. And just like I said, once you've finished mixing, taste it. See if it needs a little bit more pepper, a little bit more salt. And now let's put it in the fridge for about an hour or so the flavors can mix. I like to serve it with just pita or hummus, eggplant, and a side of protein. In this case, actually I was using fish, but you can use any type of grilled meat or any type of protein that you like. What is your favorite dish you would like to serve it with? Leave a comment below, and I will see you on the next one. Enjoy!